E.Excel's Triflora Jasmine is an amazing combination of unique and exquisite ingredients: green tea leaves, jasmine flower, Asian ginseng, and chrysanthemum flower. Triflora Jasmine stands out among the many diverse varieties of green tea, not only for its clean, aromatic jasmine flavor, but also for E.Excel's special selection of tender green tea leaves and the marvelous blend with chrysanthemum flowers and Asian ginseng. In China and many other countries in Asia, green tea has a rich and legendary history, and jasmine is the most popular scented tea to emerge from this ancient Asian tradition. Most green teas can be high in caffeine. Dr. Jiaofei Chen, E.Excel's founder, firmly believes that E.Excel products shall not contain stimulant or medicinal herbs or significant levels of caffeine, like those in coffee or other green or black teas. Triflora's green tea contributes an insignificant trace amount of caffeine, no more than the caffeine in a cup of cocoa. Yet it provides all the other benefits of green tea. The elegant jasmine aroma explodes when you first open the wrapper. There is a natural, calming parasympathetic response to this beautiful floral aroma that will uplift your mood. You may already know and have read many wonderful things about green tea, but you may not know how the jasmine aroma is infused in the delicate tea leaves. It is a long and arduous process of picking thousands of jasmine buds and mixing them into the tea leaves in the evening. The buds open overnight and the pungent aroma is absorbed by the tea leaves. Then the flowers are carefully removed and the new buds are mixed in the next evening. This is done over and over, as many as 6 or 7 times, a labor-intensive and meticulous process. You will find chrysanthemum flower petals in the mix. Chrysanthemum flowers have been used for centuries in teas for their cooling, calming, and refreshing nature, especially in the summertime. They add an additional floral note to the Triflora blend. Triflora manufacturing uses the latest technology. The mesh bag was selected for maximum release of all nutrients and aromatic blending of ingredients. Each tea bag is in its own individually sealed bag to maintain freshness and aroma. Such attention to detail is what makes Triflora your perfect cup of tea. If you're enjoying Triflora tea after a heavy meal or after a hard day of work, you may also experience an emotional boost from the Asian ginseng. Or you may experience a refreshing, bright, clean feeling that is both calming and mind-clearing. Triflora Jasmine Tea blends floral aromas with the amazing advantages of green tea and ginseng. Your mind, breath, and whole being will feel clean and refreshed, ready for an invigorating day's work or a calm, rejuvenating night's rest. Steep your bag in warm room temperature or lukewarm water and enjoy this wonderful infusion with a meal or by itself at least once a day.